parents, Miss Brown here. I'm coming to you just to tell you a couple things. I'm going to try to make this video as short as possible, so it might go kind of fast and you might have to rewind it, slow it down, or pause it. So the first thing is next week is fall break. According to our schedule, just as a reminder, next week there is no school. And on Monday, when we return on the 12th, we are starting, as you can see, on a B day. So we've had the children write this in their planners. We've had them write it down, but I know that many of us are still getting used to the AB schedule, and I didn't want it to be coming back from fall break being crazy. So first thing is, Monday is fall break, October 5th. The entire week we're out. The second thing is when we return on a B day. And then the third thing is when we return, we are having our very first game night. As most of you know, every Friday I host a game day for the kids. Mr. Melendres hosts a cooking day for the kids. And I hope they've enjoyed it. One of the games that we played is called Goose Chase. And the Goose Chase game is actually an app that you can put on your phone. And I wanted to invite our families to participate in the Goose Chase game. So if I could show you really quickly. This is our invitation. This video is just to tell you save the date. This flyer is going to go out tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. And then it's going to go out again when we come back. The kids have played Goose Chase before, so they understand it. We are going to be meeting Wednesday at 5:30, October 14th. The game starts at 5:30. There'll be, again, a second video to explain exactly how Goose Chase works. What it is it's a scavenger hunt. You use your cell phone and you take pictures of different challenges. For example, everyone put on mismatched socks, put your feet in a circle, and take a picture of the circle. It's a way for the families to get together. I played it with my own kids. I absolutely love it. Your children that have played it, it's been super popular. So really quickly, a couple things. Each family can only join one time on one device, because we're supposed to be playing as a family. The winning family is going to get pizza or a gift card delivered to their home. And it is going to be Wednesday, October 14th. So right now, I need you to save the date, Wednesday, October 14th. Again, trying to make these videos as short as possible. So I'm going to make an additional video explaining exactly what Goose Chase is. The final thing that I wanted to tell you guys about in this video is please, please, please make sure every Wednesday I'm sending out a message. Sometimes it's Thursday morning, usually it's Wednesday, telling you exactly what I'm grading. And I will not be grading until the weekend. So I'm giving you in the message the title of what it is called in Google Classroom. The kids have done it. Most of them have done it with me. I do it on Monday with the kids. They know everything. On Wednesday, I tell you, and then on Saturday, I grade. So it's our way of trying to help them be independent, but also provide them the safety net. Please use that message to double check and make sure that the kids are getting the things done that they need. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. My number is area code 209-985-1605. We're all connected on Class Dojo, so you can shoot me a message on there. And save the date, October 14th at 5:30.